Software Spring. Presents. When to use if function in Google Sheets. Hi folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial on when to use the if function. The if function is one of the most powerful functions. For an intro to if, please refer to the tutorial titled, How to Use If, in Google Sheets, whose link is given in the description. When to use if. Use if, when you want to compare one value with another, using a logical expression. A logical expression evaluates to either true or false. Syntax of if function formula. Here is an example. This is the logical expression, constructed using the less than operator. If function checks if the value in cell C3 is less than 300. If the logical expression is true, if function returns this value. If the logical expression is false, if function returns this value. Here are the other operators for constructing logical expressions. Greater than operator. Less than or equal to operator. Greater than or equal to operator. Equal to operator. And not equal to operator. Demo. Let me type the if function formula in this cell. First, type the equal to symbol, if, and select if. For logical expression, click this cell, type the less than operator, and type 300. Type comma. For value if true, type, for example, order, between double quotes. Type comma. For value if false, type, for example, 3 dashes, between double quotes. Press enter. Click the tick mark to autofill these cells with the formula. There you go. If function has evaluated the logical expression and has returned either the value for true or false. Quick review. If function belongs to the class of powerful functions in Google Sheets. Use if to compare a value with another value. The if function formula is. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.